The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Logan County, southwestern Hardin County, until 4 p.m. At 3:36 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Chippewa Park, moving east at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Bell Fountain, Russell's Point, Lakeview, Bell Center, Chippewa Park, Northwood, Rush, Sylvania, Huntsville, Ridgeway, Zanesfield, New Jerusalem, Big Springs, and Lewistown.